Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best knife sharpeners. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. KitchenIQ 50009 Edge Grip 2-Stage Knife Sharpener. It is hard to believe something this diminutive in stature and price could be effective, but it is. The KitchenIQ Edge Grip features 2 sharpening options, coarse and fine. The coarse mode has carbide blades for when you're after that sharp edge, especially useful when you have a dull knife that needs rehabbing. The fine option has ceramic rods that hone edges between full sharpening. The KitchenIQ works on both serrated and straight edge knives, a bonus for a manual sharpener. It has a non-slip base for stability and an edge grip, which allows you to sharpen on the edge of a table or countertop, preventing scratches to your surfaces. It also comes in a variety of fun colors to brighten up your kitchen. It is a compact, affordable choice that gets your knives sharp. Don't expect it to perform any miracle work on far-gone cutlery, but keeping it in regular use will keep the working knives you do have in commission, which is all most of us need anyhow. It's a great backup tool to have in your kitchen, and easy enough to pull out of the drawer and draw a knife or two through it a few times before prepping for dinner. It won't break the bank, and you may rely on it more than you expect. Number 2. KitchenIQ 4-in-1 Kitchen Knife Sharpener. The KitchenIQ 4-in-1 Kitchen Knife Sharpener is simple, comprehensive, and reliable at sharpening a variety of blade styles across a vast range of sharpening needs. Whether you need to refurbish a neglected blade or resurface a well-maintained tool, the KitchenIQ is a good economy option. It features 3 sharpening tiers, a handle that accommodates a full fist, and rubberized surfaces that sit securely in hand or on your counter. We think you can't do better than this one at the price. As expected, the KitchenIQ is noticeably slower than the top-ranked models, especially when sharpening knives that have been neglected for quite some time. The manufacturer doesn't explicitly encourage the sharpening of serrated knife blades with this tool, but there is no reason you couldn't if you needed to. For the typical domestic kitchen, KitchenIQ hits the mark for performance, utility, and price over the competition, and is the model we recommend to most individuals. For everyone else who needs a sharp knife to spend more time on the real issue, cooking, this tool will be one of your favorites in the kitchen. Pros: versatile, cut-resistant glove for safety, simple grip and ergonomic handle, stable in hand and on counter. Cons: bulkier than some alternatives. Number 3. AccuSharp Pro Knife and Amp Tool Sharpener. If you're looking for a knife sharpener to give your blades a super quick makeover, the AccuSharp is worth checking out. This little device wraps around your hand. Don't worry, there's a plastic guard to protect your fingers. Then you drag your knives through the angled tungsten sharpening blades 10 times. It's low maintenance, fits easily in a kitchen drawer, and is incredibly simple to use. Nonetheless, the AccuSharp is one of the most polarizing knife sharpening options out there. Some say that the super affordable device is a budget-friendly miracle for saving dull knives. Others argue it's too aggressive and destroys blades without properly sharpening them. The truth lies somewhere in the middle. I tried out the AccuSharp on my big kitchen cleaver, which I picked up for cheap years ago and often used to hack through stubborn vegetables. The blade was noticeably sharper and made slicing through a butternut squash much less of an arm workout. However, since the sharpener only has one angle, I'm hesitant to use it on some of my fancier knives, especially the Japanese ones, which have more of a slanted blade angle. Regardless, for a quick sharpening fix, the AccuSharp is tough to beat, plus it stows away easily in my kitchen drawer, which is nice when counter space is at a premium. Number 4. Presto EverSharp Electric Knife Sharpener. Even if you're a knife sharpening newbie, the Presto EverSharp Electric Knife Sharpener will get your blades in top shape. It has a 2-stage system that quickly sharpens any non-serrated edge and is designed with a guide to position your knife at the perfect sharpening angle without guesswork. First, the wheels grind an angled edge into the blade, then the edge is honed and polished smooth. The Presto also uses Saphirite sharpening wheels, which is the same super hard material used in professional shops. I actually got a Presto sharpener to test out myself and was pleased with the results. Using it is simple. Plug in the machine, insert your knife into one of the grooves on the first side, slide it through 10 times for a few seconds each, then repeat on the other side to sharpen both sides of the blade. After that, repeat on the other side to smooth the blade. The machine can get a bit loud, but my knife's edge was noticeably sharper by the time I finished the process, which only took around 30 seconds. In addition to my chef's knife, I sharpened a few of my paring knives and also had excellent results. The Presto sharpener also has a pretty sweet price point for such a high-quality experience. Number 5. Chef's Choice 130 Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. If you are not interested in converting your 20-degree knives, this is a better choice than the Trizor 15. It is a workhorse for Western-style knives. Its electric 3-stage system starts with a 100% diamond sharpener, then a super-hardened steel sharpener, and lastly, flexible stropping discs. There are built-in guides for ease of use and ensuring consistently sharp edges. The versatile Chef's Choice 130 can be used on both straight edge and serrated knives. It is not just reserved for kitchen knives either, you can sharpen your household, sports, and pocket knives as well. Its stabilizing rubber feet grip the counter and keep the unit secure. It quickly brings your knives back to factory quality, razor-sharp performance. This machine uses 2 different textures of diamond abrasive to hone blades and works with standard or serrated knives, but testers missed a third, coarsest abrasive that other models use to make sharpening faster. What we like: slots hold the knife at the perfect angle, easy to use, with simple instructions, works with straight or serrated blades. What we don't like: only 2 different sharpening stages.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.